Tonight, a judge says it appears the suspect in the recent Chinatown acid attack chose his victim in advance.
Our Daryl Huff spoke to legal experts and advocates about the charge in the case and whether it fits the crime.
Advocates for the Micronesian community and legal experts are asking why Marquis Johnson is facing a much lower potential sentence than two other men charged with acid attacks, especially with the possibility that this was a hate crime.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Johnson didn't need to say much. His attorney entered a not guilty plea for him to assault in the first degree, and Judge Ronald Johnson kept his bail high at $500,000, indicating the August 8th acid attack in Chinatown may not have been random, as initially thought.
Act in this particular case does appear to have been premeditated and selected. He selected the individual. The court is very concerned about that and has not been presented with any specific terms and conditions or a plan to mitigate that danger.
Victim Latham Robert, a cook who was walking between restaurants that night, told police that he didn't know the tall black man who threw acid on him without provocation. Robert is of Micronesian ancestry, and 3 years ago, Marquis Johnson claimed he had been attacked and bludgeoned in Chinatown by a group that appeared to be of Micronesian descent.
Then obviously you could pace his prior post with his actions to say that it was a hate crime, that he was seeking vengeance on someone of a particular race, ethnicity, or nationality, or national origin.
If the jury agrees this was a hate crime, Johnson's sentence could double from 10 to 20 years. But former prosecutor and Judge Randall Lee also asks why Johnson was only charged with assault when the suspects in Oahu's two other acid attacks, Paul Cameron and Sebastian Makwan, were charged with attempted murder for attacks on women. Police say they recommended Johnson be charged with assault based on the severity of Robert's injuries. Lee said that shouldn't matter.
Namely an acid being used, which is a dangerous instrument, and the location of the injury and the extent of the injury. I would assume that I would have charged an attempted murder also, consistent with the other cases.
Josie Howard with We Are Oceana says she hopes having a Micronesian victim is not affecting authorities' approach to Johnson's prosecution.
I think they should still look into whether to charge it as a hate crime and also to charge it consistently with the other attackers that happened before. I don't think there's any reason why this is treated differently. Otherwise, I believe there's implicit bias in this case.
The evidence in this case is still sealed, so we don't know exactly why the judge said the victim may have been targeted. Prosecutors can still upgrade the charges. Johnson's defense attorney declined to comment. Daryl Huff, Hawaii News Now.